Before starting to practice Ho'oponopono, let's understand its foundations. We'll explore the difference between traditional Ho'oponopono and modern Ho'oponopono. Truly understanding its principles, what it is, its purpose, and how to apply it, is what determines its effectiveness. In this video, we'll address questions that are rarely discussed and clarify doubts that often remain unanswered regarding Ho'oponopono. Morna Simeona. Morna Simeona was a Hawaiian kahuna, a priest, expert, teacher, or advisor, and one of the most important figures in adapting Ho'oponopono. She was responsible for transforming traditional Ho'oponopono, which was originally practiced only in groups, into an individual practice accessible to everyone. Morna believed that each person could use Ho'oponopono to clear their own memories and negative energies without the need for a facilitator or group. Traditional Ho'oponopono, community healing. Traditional Ho'oponopono was a spiritual process practiced by the Hawaiian community to resolve familial and communal conflicts. It involved participants gathering in a collective ritual to ask for forgiveness, reconcile, and cleanse negative energies. The primary goal was to restore harmony within the group, resolve misunderstandings, and release negative memories through forgiveness and acknowledgement of mistakes. This practice was deeply rooted in the concept of kala, which means release. By clearing collective memories, harmony was restored, both among the group members and within each individual. The structure of the ritual depended on the issue to be resolved, and the words used often invoked elements of Hawaiian culture, such as recognizing the problem. The leader guided participants to identify and expose the conflict. Prayers to Akua, God or deity, seeking spiritual guidance and healing. Forgiveness, kala, involving specific expressions to ask for and offer forgiveness. Restoration, Ho'oponopono, concluding with words symbolizing restored harmony. Examples of common words or concepts. Aloha, signifying love, respect, and compassion. Mahalo, gratitude. E kalamai, I ask for forgiveness or excuse me. Ho'oponopono, to correct or harmonize. By understanding and practicing these principles, one can feel lighter and more at peace with themselves. Modern Ho'oponopono, the individual practice. In the 1970s, Morna Simeona transformed Ho'oponopono into an individual practice to facilitate self-healing and emotional release. She introduced the idea that anyone could cleanse their own painful memories and negative energies without the need for a group. This simplified version of the practice became known as self-identity through Ho'oponopono. Morna's 4 phrases. Morna's innovation was the introduction of these 4 phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. These phrases help practitioners acknowledge their internal pain or blockages, seek forgiveness, release love, and express gratitude. While not a traditional mantra, they serve as a tool for clearing negative memories and restoring inner peace. The web of life and Ho'oponopono. When we say Ho'oponopono touches the web of life, we refer to the traditional version, where relationships between individuals, family members, or community members are deeply interconnected. In the traditional context, the practice restores collective balance by addressing shared memories and energies. In modern Ho'oponopono, the web of life can also be interpreted as the deep connection between the practitioner and their higher self. By cleansing their own memories, the practitioner affects not only their life, but also their interactions with others. Cleansing an internal memory reverberates through the energetic field, influencing external reality. Expanding the phrases in modern Ho'oponopono. Although Morna's 4 phrases are the most well-known, some people choose to add other affirmations to the practice, such as, I am light, I am love, I am Atma, soul. These affirmations are not part of Morna's original method, but can be used to expand the practice, connecting the practitioner to a higher vibration and a sense of being part of something greater, divine, and illuminated. Modern Ho'oponopono as a tool for self-cleansing. Modern Ho'oponopono is primarily viewed as a powerful tool for self-cleansing and emotional release. When facing difficulties, negative feelings, or blockages in life, individuals can apply the 4 phrases to clear and release any negative energy obstructing the natural flow of life. The effectiveness of this process is measured by emotion. The practitioner knows the cleansing is working when they experience an emotional shift or a sense of release. Once individuals consciously clear their blockages, they begin shaping their reality.
Key differences between traditional and modern Ho'oponopono. The primary difference lies in structure and the number of people involved. Traditional Ho'oponopono focuses on collective work and healing shared memories within a group. Modern Ho'oponopono is an individual process centered on self-healing and emotional release. While the 4 phrases are the core of the modern method, they can be supplemented with additional affirmations to help practitioners access a higher vibration of healing and transformation. This is why it works so well with prayers of gratitude, which invoke love, balance, and the cleansing of blockages, acting on the subconscious and shifting the practitioner's vibrational state within minutes. Ho'oponopono re-educates us to stay in an elevated vibration every time we practice it. Spiritual principles of Ho'oponopono. Total responsibility. In Ho'oponopono, we take full responsibility for everything in our lives. What we see, feel, or experience is a projection of the memories and energies we carry. Release and forgiveness. The practice centers on forgiveness and release, allowing negative energies to be transmuted to restore peace and harmony. Reconnection with the divine. Through Ho'oponopono, we reconnect with our higher self and the divine, seeking guidance and wisdom for healing. The divine self and the trinity of being, an introduction to the 3 selves in Hawaiian spirituality. Basic self, Unahipili, middle self, Aumakua, the higher self. Each plays a role in the practice. Understanding the 3 selves, Ho'oponopono, invites us to explore 3 essential aspects of our being, working together to promote healing and inner balance. Unihipili, the basic self. The Unihipili is like our inner child, the keeper of all memories and emotions we've carried through life. It holds everything we've experienced, both positive and challenging, and is the source of the beliefs and patterns that often limit us. When we practice Ho'oponopono and say, "I'm sorry," or "please forgive me," we are asking the Unihipili for help in releasing and cleansing these energies that no longer serve us. Ho'oponopono, the Hoimir, is the part of us that thinks, acts, and makes decisions. It is our conscious self, the one that chooses to change and seek healing. The Uheni drives us to practice Ho'oponopono, repeat the healing phrases, and maintain the intention to transform our memories and emotions. It serves as the bridge between our rational mind and our deeper essence. Aumakua, the higher self, a call together in perfect harmony to guide us through the healing process. Even weakened parts help prevent distress. Unihipili, Ahani, and Aumakua work together in perfect harmony to guide us through the healing process. The Unihipili reveals what needs to be cleansed, the Oane commits to change, and the Aumakua, with its divine energy, brings healing. Together, they help restore inner peace and harmony in our lives. The 4 phrases as a foundation, a deeper meaning behind "I'm sorry," "please forgive me," "I love you," "thank you." Let's explore the 4 key phrases of modern Ho'oponopono, fundamental to the process of self-cleansing and healing. Each of these phrases carries profound meaning and can be used to release memories, emotions, and negative energies. Below, I'll explain in detail what each phrase represents. The higher self is considered our divine, conscious essence, our highest and most enlightened part that transcends the rational mind and ego's limitations. In modern Ho'oponopono, the higher self plays a crucial role, as the practice is seen as a direct connection to this higher part of ourselves. This connection allows us to access a superior intelligence to heal and release limiting memories. I'm sorry. This phrase is a profound acknowledgement that something within you is disconnected or out of harmony. Saying, "I'm sorry," means recognizing that, in some way, you are a participant in the situation causing conflict, pain, or discomfort. In the context of Ho'oponopono, the goal is not to blame yourself for the situation, but to recognize that external reality reflects what exists within you. By saying, "I'm sorry," you take responsibility for your part in creating or sustaining the situation, even unconsciously. This acknowledgement is the first step toward forgiveness. Example, if you are experiencing challenges in a relationship, saying, "I'm sorry," acknowledges that the issue is not only about the other person, but also about something within you that needs healing or clearing. Levels of consciousness. Basic self. By saying, "I'm sorry," you recognize that there are thoughts, emotions, or memories within you that are not aligned with your higher self. This sentence is an apology to your higher self for harboring energies that are out of harmony with your true nature. Conscious self. It's a deliberate acknowledgement of your role in the situation, not as blame, but as an opportunity for healing. Conscious self. At this level, "I'm sorry," is the understanding that all experiences are reflections of your mind and energy. There is no judgment, just a recognition that balance needs to be restored at every level of your being. "Please forgive me." This phrase invites forgiveness, both for the person you feel has caused harm and for yourself. Forgiveness in Ho'oponopono is not about merely forgetting or absolving someone. It's about releasing the negative emotions you carry toward the situation. Meaning, when you say, "Please forgive me," you're asking for forgiveness for any action, thought, or feeling that may have contributed to the creation of the memory or situation. It's also an act of self-forgiveness, acknowledging and releasing patterns or emotions that have lingered in your life. Example, if you feel anger or resentment, saying, "Please forgive me," is not only about forgiving others, but also about releasing these emotions from your energetic field, turning forgiveness into a healing tool. Levels of consciousness. Basic self. A sincere request for forgiveness directed at your higher self and anyone involved, acknowledging that past thoughts or actions need to be released for balance to be restored. Conscious self. A deliberate effort to let go of resentment and guilt, allowing negative energies to dissolve. Higher self. At this level, forgiveness is a complete release of resistance and blocked energy, unlocking profound healing and universal harmony. "I love you." This phrase invokes the energy of love, which has the power to heal and transmute all negative memories and emotions. By saying, "I love you," you call upon the force of love to cleanse and heal everything connected to the situation, memory, or person. Meaning, love is not just an emotion, it's a vibrational energy with incredible transformative power. Saying, "I love you," activates deep healing and dissolves emotional blockages, creating space for forgiveness and reconciliation. Additionally, love symbolizes unity among all beings and the divine connection within each of us. By saying, "I love you," you help restore harmony, balancing energies within and around you. Example, when you say, "I love you," you send a vibration of healing not only to the person involved, but to the entire situation. Through this energy of love, negative blocks begin to dissolve. Levels of consciousness. Basic self. "I love you," activates the energy of love as a healing force, dissolving painful memories and emotions at the deepest levels. Conscious self. It extends this healing vibration to people and situations, acknowledging that love can restore harmony. Higher self. At this level, I love you aligns with the universal energy of unconditional love, which dissolves dense energies. Thank you. Gratitude is one of the most powerful and uplifting emotions you can experience. It brings a sense of abundance and recognition for what is yet to come. By saying thank you, you open your heart to the good already present in your life, regardless of current challenges. Meaning, in Ho'oponopono, gratitude is not limited to external blessings. It's about appreciating the lessons every situation brings, even the challenging ones. By expressing gratitude, you release love and attract greater harmony and balance into your life. Gratitude also acknowledges the healing process that is unfolding. Example, as you practice Ho'oponopono, you may encounter internal challenges, but saying, "Thank you," allows you to recognize that these challenges serve a higher purpose, whether for learning or personal growth. Levels of consciousness. Basic self. Gratitude is a way to honor past and present experiences as part of growth and healing. Conscious self. It connects you consciously with positive energy, releasing tensions from past difficulties and making room for new opportunities. Higher self. At this level, gratitude expresses profound unity with the universe, recognizing the continuous flow of divine energy and abundance, bringing balance and expansion. How the four phrases connect. These sentences are not isolated actions, but part of an ongoing healing process. They are an energetic sequence that helps restore balance within you and in the world around you. I'm sorry. You acknowledge that something is out of alignment. Please forgive me. You release resentment and guilt. I love you. You activate love's transformative energy. Thank you. You embrace gratitude and recognize healing in progress.